Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful water marble nail design. So I'm using regular tap water. I don't use anything fancy or special. And in the water, I'm just going to apply just some random colors. I wanted to do a really colorful water marble design. The polishes I'm using are by OPI, LA Colors, and Finger Paints. They're really polishes I got from Sally's on sale because I refuse to pay a lot of money on polishes. That's just me. I'm really cheap when it comes down to that. Make sure to try to play around with the different colors to see which ones work in water. Not too many polishes work in it. So once you find it, you'll be able to, do different water marble designs. As you can see, I did a really easy design. I wanted something really easy. The last design I did was kind of intricate, and I wanted to show you something really simple and easy. As you can see, I placed my nail in the cup in an angle, and I made sure to remove all the polish before I removed my finger. And then I just removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails. This is a really easy design once you get the hang of doing water marble. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.